Good morning, guys. A crazy week on the stock market. We warned of this drop that was coming way prior. I posted a TikTok video. That video got close to maybe 60,000 views, but a lot of people were doubting the platform. Again, I don't know why people take it so to heart that they're like, oh, it's wrong, this and that. In this video, we go and tell that there is a $5 million put that is on the market and to be very careful.
In closeupus.com, we have our watch list going on here for SPY, QQQ, and IWM. If you look over here, all of them are puts for a decent amount as well, over $5 million. GNCI over 1 million. Trade with the right tools and stop being cheap by yourself.
So we gave that video. Obviously, I'm not saying to trade strictly with option flow. That is not the case, but we saw that the market was going to dump before it was even going to dump, and that was based off of technical analysis. When we get a sweep in addition to technical analysis, that's when we're like, crap, something's going to happen. Especially people are like, oh, $5 million isn't a lot of money or whatever. Well, first of all, you don't have $5 million, and $5 million for a short expiration in option contracts is a lot of money, because that money can go up insanely in value in the case that it works out in your favor, and in the case that it doesn't, you lose that quick. So $5 million, yes, it is still a lot of money, and you're controlling way more than $5 million worth of actual shares in the case that you do exercise them. Yes, it could have been a hedge. Obviously, these things are for you to determine. For us, we recognize that it was not a hedge because it fell right within our technical analysis that we did prior. So here on our Discord, you could obviously see that we've been taking trades and we've been absolutely killing it lately with the SPY puts, APPS puts. I think I had one losing trade last week, which was in the Airbnb, I believe, but we warned the chat that we were going to dump over here. ES is going to dump yesterday. Today is Saturday at 12:41. So over here on ES, we alerted that it was going to dump yesterday, but we also traded puts the prior day. Anyways, the point of this video is to tell you that you should trade with the right tools, but let's get right into it on our top watches for this week. So our top watches this week is obviously going to be the overall market. I think the overall market is still in a bearish impulse. We've been bearish for a long time now. This was from 2/8, which was what, 2/8 Tuesday. So prior to the huge drop, we were already saying that, ES has been contracting for some time. It means the move that will come will be larger. I think we were going to go up to this 0.61 area, which we did. We tagged 453, and then we're going to continue downwards. We would tag that 0.61 before we head lower. I do think we're going to get to this I did think that we were going to get to this 442 level, which we're obviously below now, and I do think we're going to go a lot lower than that. I think ES is bound to get towards this 412 level within the next month or so. It's hard to time the market, so me putting a month out there might not happen. Obviously, we see a lot of catalysts. If you combine technical analysis with Elliott wave, this should be the hardest move down, the most explosive move, which is wave 3. Initially, I thought it was going to be the 1.61, which was around this area, but I think we're gonna get a lot more than that, simply because we have the Russian Ukraine invasion, and at the same time, I do have us going a lot lower. So I do think that we will tag the 261, which is at 420, before heading lower, potentially a bounce. No one knows. My current direction that I am in favor of is puts. I am bearish on the overall market, and I've been posting for this. But ES, I'm definitely gonna watch. Our newest watch list that I just posted is here, and I will be watching maybe Roblox for a potential earnings pop. into our supply area, which is right here at this 82/77 level. Hopefully we get a pop there, then I'm going to short it in the case that it does. If it doesn't, we are currently swinging SPY puts. We got out of majority of them on Friday, but I think we will still continue down. As you can see here, I tell the team that I am expecting a larger degree correction to happen. You know, not to bring politics into play, but we obviously have a weak president. All of the other countries' leaders know that, and this is the best time to take advantage of that to actualize any political movements that they want to do. So I do think that a lot of action is going to happen within this Russian-Ukraine invasion. China's gonna get in. Who knows, we might have some sort of larger degree warfare. I don't know, but I am favoring the downside, and I think that's going to be the catalyst to bring us even lower than what I thought would be. So my top watch is ES. There's nothing else you need to watch, because if you believe that ES and NQ, the two major future derivatives, are going to head lower majority of the time, unless there's some sort of earnings or another sort of catalyst, you're going to get them moving within the same direction. APPS, I am in a short position as well. I said that we're in a bear flag, as you can see here. Initially, I thought it was going to reject the 0.6178. You obviously see it going past that, but we're still within and contracting within this bear flag. And I think the market, the overall market, is going to bring this down with it. So I am in APPS short, ES short, and I am in bond long, BON. Coin, we absolutely demolished this. We set to short into that supply, which you see a huge reaction off of. Let me see if I can find it right here. Looks like a great short here. We said that it was going to hit this level at 214, and we obviously got the follow through. This is 214.72, and as of right now, we are near a 11% move down from hitting that supply. So technical analysis works no matter what people say. I love it when haters say it doesn't work, or that it doesn't work in this volatile market. You're obviously not trading with the right technicals, so that's why you're getting the terrible plays that you guys are probably taking. Hopefully you guys watch the videos and learn what supply and demand is, and hopefully this helps you guys. But on the same note, that will be all that I'm watching for this week. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and we're a team, so join the Discord. It's completely free in the trading chat. If you do want alerts, it is for money, and you can check out chancetrades.com if you want alerts. But if you have any knowledgeable questions, it will be answered for free in the regular trading chat. If you want alerts, obviously there's some work involved. You have to pay for it. Make sure you trade with the right tools like closerputs.com to help you have confluence for your trade. Not saying trade off of option flow. I'm saying trade with tools by your side and stop being cheap on yourself. As you can see, there's barely any indicators that I am using over here besides the RSI. All I am trading is technical analysis and institutional money. That is all I am doing, and I've been very, very successful with that. And I think you guys should do it too. Again, it's solely up to you, but I know a lot of people are paying for algorithms, this and that. I mean, there's obviously other option flows out there that you guys could use. But our filters, I would say, is better. Obviously, I own the platform, so that's what I'm going to say. But you got to test and try all of them to know which one fits your liking. And people are buying buy and sell signals on TradingView, but they don't realize that those signals, that you will often see that they erase themselves after the fact that it gets disproved or whatever, because it's if this then that, and if the chart doesn't move that way after the fact that it alerted a buy signal, it would automatically either erase it or flash it to a sell signal. So, and a lot of the time you get it after the fact. So if it doesn't move in that direction after the fact, then it's like, bro, what are you supposed to do? As for indicators, you know, moving averages, obviously some work. Some people trade with those, and props to you, but you don't need all of that. All you need is solid technical analysis and solid tools to help confluent your trade, and you'll be absolutely killing the market. So with that being said, have a great weekend and see you guys on Monday on the Discord.